While Master P dances around with the law, an American Idol singer steals the show on Broadway. Our Kathy Lee goes behind the scenes for this hair-raising report. While American Idol contestants prepare for another grueling round of sing-offs tonight, this former contestant is still burning up the stage. Then 16-year-old Darling Diana may not have won the title of American Idol 2 seasons ago. My heart will. But now, as our Kathy Lee found, Diana is making a name for herself on Broadway in Hairspray.
Isn't it unbelievable? Did anybody say, listen, you can do Broadway anytime. This is a time to strike while the fire's hot. Go the Kelly Clarkson route and do the pop thing.
Yeah, a lot of people, had said that to me, that Broadway will be there forever.
Her American Idol days are behind her, but she is still keeping an eye on the show.
Is Simon meaner now or nicer?
I think Simon's just as mean, but they're showing more of him this season, so people are finally getting to see the real taste of Simon.
And of course, if you let this insider loose on your stage, you're going to get a real taste of our Kathy Lee.
Like no business, I know. Keep it down, I'm singing. So, how do you guys keep your voices in shape?
Well, we have a little Broadway secret called Ricola. They're everywhere. You'll see the cans. And here we go to hair.
Look at that. Big ol' hair. Isn't it fun having so many people take care of you?
I know, I feel pretty spoiled.
Well, we don't have to tell you, Diana is a big hit, and so is Hairspray. The production won 9 Tonys, including Best Musical.